I just need you back.
Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again today with another, well, 3 DIYs for your home decor. And these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIYs. They're items from the Dollar Tree. And today's main theme for our DIYs are these acrylic gems that you see here from the Dollar Tree. Yes, they're nice and shiny, and we are going to do our 3 DIYs using majority of these gems. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with this picture frame here. And I believe it's 5x7, and I'll be using some acrylic paint, silver acrylic paint. So we're going to take it apart and just paint the frame of our picture frame. And I'll be painting it, I think I will use about 2 coats of the paint. So I'll paint it, let it dry, and then add another coat. Okay, so now we have our acrylic gems. And we're going to be placing them, going around this little trinket tray here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using the hot glue. Now it's plastic on plastic, so it sticks very well with the hot glue, but you know, you can use any adhesive that you would like to do your project with. So we're just going to glue the gems going all the way around. And now we're all done. So now we'll be placing these bling gems going all the way around, which you can get them at Walmart, or if you're over here, you can find them in Dollarama. So we're just going to do the same thing, place them going right around our tray. Now we're going to use a mirror, this little mirror here from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to place it inside of our tray. I believe these mirrors are, I'm not sure if it's 4x4. The other ones are 5x5, and these are a little smaller, so maybe they could be 4x4. Now we have our candle holder here, and we're just going to bling down our candle holder with these gems.
Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I would say okay.
And now that our pieces are all done, we have 2 pieces with the trinkets and this candle holder here. So we're just going to use some hot glue and join our 3 pieces together. You can use any adhesive that you would like to use. I'm just using the hot glue. And for our next DIY now, we have this vase, little glass here. And again, we'll be using our gems, yes, our acrylic gems. I told you these DIYs are going to be using up the gems. Beautiful things you can make with them for your home, beautiful decor. And it's nice and simple. Get the gems at the dollar store, add them to these items like I'm doing, and you get some nice decor items for your home. So we're placing the gems going all the way around. And now we're doing another layer. We'll be doing 3 layers of the gems going right around.
You say that you don't need a man, but I'm seeing all these different men. Girl, what did you say? You said right now that I'm not what you're looking for, but it looks like you need me now, you need me now.
And now it's all done. I think I did 4 layers going all the way around. I was going to do 3, but I needed 4. So I have this bling wrap that I got from Amazon, yeah. So I'm just going to add some to the top. And now we have this candle holder, which I added some of the bling gems to. So now we are going to add some of the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, yes. We're just going to cut it into strips and then glue it going around our candle holder at the bottom.
I know that I lied, but I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice. Girl, I won't lie twice.
Okay, now our picture frame is all dry. It's nice and dry with the silver paint. It looks very shiny and nice. So now we're going to use the acrylic gems again, and we are going to bling out our frame. Going to bling out our frame. And we're just going to add the gems going all the way around, and I will be doing 3 layers going right up to the top of our frame.
And I respect that you didn't take that from me. Girl, you respect yourself. Cause girl, right now you are all that I need and more. And one more chance is all I need, babe. I just need you to understand just what I mean when I say I made a mistake. Girl, I need.
For the inside of our tray, I took out the piece that's there, and I'll be using this glitter paper and cutting out the shape so I get the right size to fit back into the frame.
I need you now, know that I like, girl, I won't lie twice, no, I won't lie twice, I know that I like, I won't lie twice.
And now I'll be taking one of the 5x7 mirrors that we get from the Dollar Tree and adding it inside of, on top of the glitter paper, inside this will be the middle part of our tray. I'm just using some hot glue to hold it in place, then add back the pieces over it. And now we're just going to place everything back into our frame. And now I'm just going to use some hot glue to make sure the bottom doesn't drop out when we place anything inside of our tray. And now that it's all dry, I'm going to be using these knobs that I got from Amazon. I think they're super nice and shiny. I love them. And they are flat. If you're ordering knobs from Amazon, make sure they're flat because you can't stand on them if the edges are pointy. So make sure you get the knobs with the flat surface. And now I got these little rings. They're little napkin holders I got from Dollar Tree. I keep falling. Anyways, I painted them with the silver paint, and I'm going to use some of our Bling Wrap and our gems. So I'm just using the hot glue, place the gems on the inside. And again, using the hot glue and doing our Bling Wrap going right around. I'll be doing 4 of these. Now I'll be placing the 4 rings in the 4 corners of our tray. And again, I'm just using some hot glue. You can use a stronger adhesive if you would like. And with the tray and the gems, once you put them on with the hot glue, you can go back over the gems with some E6000 or any strong adhesive that you would like to use, and they will hold in place just fine. Here are our 3 DIYs. I think they look very nice. 3 glam storage ideas for your home decor, and what? Using the acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree. Doesn't it look nice? I think they look absolutely beautiful. I like them. I like this display tray here. And this here, you can use it for your makeup brushes or any little trinkets that you'd like to place in it. And then you have your tray. We have our glam tray. Yes, I think it looks very nice with the gems and the legs underneath the bottom. They look very nice. And with these rings over here, I think it looks super cute. And I did go back in and put a gem, as you see here, on the inside of the rings. At first I didn't, but I made it look even nicer and neater finish with the little gems right there. I think it looks nice. And look at the acrylic gems. They are shiny and nice. I think it looks beautiful. And then we have this here. You can use it for makeup brushes, for pencils, anything you want to use it for. It's nice. And you know, if you want to use it as a candle holder, go ahead. go ahead, nothing is wrong. If you'd like to use it as that also, it's a beautiful piece of decor for your home. And then we have our lovely display tray over here, which I think it looks glam and nice. Yes, it does. These acrylic stones are absolutely beautiful when you put them together with other things. They look lovely. 3 easy glam DIYs using what? The acrylic gems from the dollar store. I think they look absolutely beautiful, like I said before. And here we have them displayed. Yes, I did a little display for you guys. I think they look super cute. This is a lovely tray. You can place it anywhere throughout your home, even in your room, on your dresser. Put your little knickknacks on it. It's very nice. And then we have this other display tray, which you can display anything or even put your jewelry on it. It's absolutely cute. And then we have this one here. Like I said, if you wish to use it as a candle holder, you can, or you could use it for your makeup brushes, any little knickknacks that you would like to place in it, and place it anywhere throughout your home. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of today's DIYs using the acrylic gems. Yes, from the Dollar Tree. Oh, I think it's absolutely beautiful. But tell me what you think. Tell me which one was your favorite. Yes, I like all 3. I really do. I love how they turned out. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIYs I had to share with you today. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.